to lose when I put my faith in you.
Habari, welcome. If you're new here, well, I guess all of y'all are new here because this is a whole completely new channel. I'm starting all over with my own personal brand. So welcome to Keishandrea Creates. I've been up all night adding inspiration to my Pinterest and my Envato Element account, and I can't stop thinking about this. So I'm about to go ahead and design my brand identity for my new creative community. Creatives do business well. And I want to bring y'all with me. I am Keishandrea, multi-passionate creative, visual storyteller, your favorite brand and content strategist, and so much more. I really don't like to put myself in the box. I know a lot of y'all can relate. If you're a creative business owner, the main purpose for creating this personal brand is to gain a community of other creatives that have businesses, my fellow peers. So say hi in the comments. Tell me what you do, what kind of creative business that you have, and let's keep the conversation going.
I'm on the wave. I had to fall and get out my own way. Life it get harder, my honestly say. Start walking with God coming out of my grave. Don't care what you say. It's in a label. He gave me the gospel. They call it a fable. Now they see the bread that he put on my table. Watch him like cable. I know that he faithful. Yeah. I don't really worry about my adversary. Yeah, Jesus paid the debt, he got the monetary. Save my soul, gave me a cross to carry. Wes and Sarah back to back, man, it's legendary. I got nothing to lose when I put my faith in you. So patient, you're faithful.
Got my smoothie. Don't it look so pretty? It looks so pretty. I already have this mood board for Creatives Do Business Well that I've created in Canva. This video, by the way, is highly inspired by a YouTuber that I've just got wind of. Hello, Corey. This is highly inspired by her design with me. And I've heard of Adobe Illustrator, but it seemed like my style and all the inspiration that I was adding to my Pinterest board. I'm like, yeah, I need to learn how to design. So this is my first time opening up Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to play around with it a little bit. It still gives me a little bit of the vibes, but I still feel like something's missing. Still has my main concept. I want it to be colorful, but at the same time, I want it to have this natural look to it as well. I don't want to do too much with the color, but I don't want it to be plain and boring. I feel like I've been playing safe. It's been 7 years I've been in business, and I said 8 years in another video. Scratch that. It's hard to keep up, but 7 years, but I still want to keep it along my style. I'm a very earthy girl, so it's not bad. I just want to turn it up a notch. And my inspiration in Pinterest is off the chain right now. I just want to pull it all together and see what I can come up with because I have this vision and I have to bring it to life. I have to. I'm in Adobe Illustrator right now, still getting used to it. I've already did all of my inspiration and downloaded the images from my Pinterest board. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the color swatches that I already have. Well, let me screen record first. Let's not forget that. Let's open QuickTime. I can't wait to upgrade my computer because boy, this is slow. I'm going to take these color swatches that I have in Canva already from my previous brand board and put it into Adobe Illustrator. I can't wait till I really get to know this program because I'm moving like a grandma right now. I'm enjoying the process of learning this new program. And if y'all have some tips for Adobe Illustrator and y'all want to let me know how to navigate this better, please let me know in the comments because I know I'm probably taking a long time on some things and y'all like, girl, you doing it all wrong. Yes, let me know because I can see now that I'm going to be using this a lot. I'm trying to see if these colors look good together. I don't know if I'm 100% sold. Like the photos together over here look really well with those colors together. Like I feel like I could do without the blue. Yeah. We're going to get rid of this blue. Yeah, that's better. I feel like it's missing something. Oh well. We're going to keep it here. I'm sure I'm going to change it again in the future anyway. Now I'm going to bring in all of those images that I just downloaded into Illustrator and create the mood board. The reason why I want to do this is because I want the brand to remain cohesive. Like I said at the beginning of this video, my main purpose is so I can create a community. And the only way I'm going to do that is if I get more visibility to my brand. I feel like one of the best ways to get visibility to your brand is to make it eye-catching, give them some visuals that they like to see. This is why the heart of this community is where creativity meets business. I get hyped up when I see these nice graphics and videos and photos when I'm scrolling on my timeline. And if I keep seeing this from the same creators, I'm going to follow them. I just want to create that experience off jump and have the visuals look really, really good. I'm going for that natural, retro, urban, artistic kind of vibe. In this mood board, we're going to stick to that vibe. Maybe stick with the colors. We'll see how the colors go as we get in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the mood board together and put some music on.
Necesito más nadie. Yo fui limpiada por tu sangre. En tus promesas ahora quiero yo fijarme. No dices daño. Yo ves, vámonos pa'lante.
I got nothing to lose when I put my faith in you. So patient, you're faithful and true.
So I'm keeping my gaze on you.
I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you, Lord. Won't look away from you, look away from you, no. I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you, Lord. Won't look away from you, look away from you, no. I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you, Lord. Won't look away from you, look away from you, no. I keep my gaze on you, keep my
First
gaze
of
on you.
all, I've done created the mood board, and now, okay, I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm satisfied. I do like the way the mood board has come out. It seems like it's a lot going on, but I can interpret the mood board, and that's all that matters, because all the colors I'm not exactly going for. It was just some of these graphics and illustrations that I really liked. Not necessarily all the colors. So I think I'm done. What I'm going to do is use this mood board as a guide to create my own graphics later on. The space that I'm in right now, I'm not going to overthink things because it will hold me back too long, and it'll have me staring at this mood board trying to figure out how I can make it perfect. I'm not in that space right now. We're going to keep on going to the next thing because it's just a visual.
Yo ves, vámonos pa'lante.
I got nothing to lose when I put my faith in you. So patient, you're faithful and true.
So I'm keeping my gaze on you.
I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you, Lord. Won't look away from you, look away from you, no. I keep my gaze on you, keep my gaze on you,